Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard and click on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, click on this gear next to clipboard. Then select voice typing in keyboard settings and tap on gray sweater next to it to switch it on. Now go back to your keyboard and hold the visible microphone icon. If you never used it before, select Allow in the pop-up and click on it again. When you see Speak Now command, you can start typing. To stop, click on the same microphone again, or just stop. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!